eggheads, this is Liz. Go ahead and grab that Asus Chromebook, and if you find this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. So on your keyboard, you can find your escape, refresh, and power button. This is how you will access your recovery menu to reinstall Chrome. You're going to hold all three of these down at the same time to access it. So let's go ahead and try it. So I'm going to hold down all three buttons. My Chromebook will immediately turn on and bring me to that recovery menu. In this recovery menu, there are two options, one for installing it with an external device and one via the network connection or an internet connection. We're going to use the second one. Although the first one we show you how to do in the description down below, because it's very helpful for if you A, don't have the network connection, or B, it fails for some reason. So keep that in mind. We show you how to use USB to do it in the description down below. So I've selected the internet option or network connection option with my arrow keys and enter. It's going to go through all your internet connections and give you a list to pick from. Pick the one that works for you best. And after selecting the network you want to use, then you'll be able to enter in your password. Like I said, I'm using my arrow keys and enter to select. So after putting in my password, I'll hit enter, and then it will bring me to the next screen. I will say connecting to the network, and then I'll be able to hit next, and then it will immediately start installing my operating system, and then it will restart and bring you to a fresh screen. Anyway, guys, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.